Hey guys, it's Nate with Skid Steer Solutions, and today we're excited to be showing off the Promac HSL60. This is their low flow mulcher, so great for operators who don't have high flow skid steers. You can run it on as low a flow as 20 gallons per minute, all the way up to 35 gallons, meaning you have a wide range of machines this unit can go on. We're going to be going over a couple of the specs that make this unit unique, and then we're going to take it out to a job site and show you what it can really do. Promac uses a high-strength steel frame that's designed and engineered in-house, meaning they control the quality of these units as they go out. It also has a controlled discharge, and that's going to push the material downwards and in front of the unit, only about 5 feet out, versus competitive brands that maybe go out about 20 to 50 feet in front of you. That means the Promac's ideal for customers who are using this in residential areas or areas where they don't want to have a lot of blowout of material in front of them. One of the other great features is going to be your bite limiter. That's going to be these guys here, very similar to a guard on a chainsaw or something like that. It's going to limit the amount of material the tooth is able to actually bite at one time. There's multiple features and benefits to doing this. One of the great ones is it's going to leave smaller chips behind, meaning you're going to have a much more finished and fine looking job site when you are done. But one of the other great benefits is actually going to keep your wheel speed up and not slow you down as much on the job, because it's only allowing you to take such a big bite at a time, meaning you're going to keep up production time and get the job done quicker than you will with some of the other models out there. So all the HSL60s are going to come standard with the beaver teeth. This is very similar to what you'll see in the kind of industry of like a quadco tooth. These are going to be rotatable, so you can actually loosen this and actually turn them to get a little bit more life out of them. And they are also a pretty good cost-effective tooth. They do also offer a chipper tooth, which is great. It's going to be a little bit more of an aggressive tooth. Those teeth are great because they are able to be sharpened and actually flipped, but generally you're not going to get as much life out of the teeth, usually around 40 to 100 hours before you'll need to replace them. They do also have a double carbide tooth, which is great for customers who are in more rocky ground or just mulching an area where you don't have a lot of visibility, as those teeth do last a much longer period of time, but they don't have as aggressive of a bite or cutting time. So you're gonna lose a little bit of speed when you're using those teeth, but they still are a very good option. Promac does sometimes recommend a combo set of teeth. A lot of times they'll recommend having more of the double-sided carbide teeth on the outside of the drums, which is gonna take a little bit more of the abuse, and then having more of the chipper teeth or the beaver teeth in the center, which is gonna be doing more of the work and actually grinding up some of those bigger trees you're cutting into. This is a really great option as well, and you can always call us if you have any questions on why that might be a good option for you. Promac makes their mulchers very easy to maintain for an operator. Most of their wear parts are going to be very easily accessible and replaceable just with a few basic tools. We'll kind of show you some of those different wear parts as we go through the video, but it's great because a lot of times you can do the repair out on the field in the actual job instead of taking it into a machine shop for them to do the work for you. One of the unique wear parts on the Promac is going to be their rear anvil. These are segmented so you can replace them based on where the wear is. So oftentimes the wear might happen in the center of the drum here. So you're going to be able to replace that specific part of the actual anvil. One of the other great benefits of these anvils is they're designed to mean you're not going to jam up your drum while mulching, meaning you can spend more time actually mulching and getting the job done. You're also going to notice that we have replacement skids on the side here. That's a great feature that you should have on any mulcher you're buying. A couple of the other great features on this drum is going to be your actual wire cutter here. Anyone who's run a mulcher knows it's pretty easy to get unwanted material wound around the drum here, and that's one of the things that this is going to take care of. When you start winding up barbed wire or something like that, that's going to go ahead and cut that, meaning you're not going to have to worry about it getting into your seals or bearings. They also come standard with a dust guard, which also keeps that unwanted dust and material outside of your bearings, meaning you're going to have a much longer life on this drum. One of the other unique features on this model is going to be the replaceable wear liners. That's going to be up underneath here. You do have to cut the welds and replace them by welding them back in, but it is great to have that ability if you do need to replace that wear liner. Promac uses a 107cc piston motor built by Rexroth. These have an automatic controlled torque adjustment, which means you're going to have the ideal drum speed for your unit. There's an optional braking system on this mulcher, which allows you to stop the drum within about 10 seconds, and it does not hinder the spin up of the drum either. All Promac mulchers are going to come standard with all the hydraulic hoses and couplings that you need to put this machine straight to work. Now that we've kind of gone over some of the features and benefits of this unit, we're super excited to take it out to a job site and show you what it can really do. right, guys, so that's going to wrap up the demo of the HSL Promac low flow mulcher. We were using this on our ASV on low flow. We also used the ASV just in high flow mode for the high flow mulcher. So we had a really good demo out here today. Got to cut up a wide range of different types of trees as well as sizes. We have the beaver teeth on the low flow unit, and also it's a low flow. So I was expecting to see, substantially less production from this unit than the high flow, but I was really pleasantly surprised. We were able to cut, again, a wide range of trees, really good production time. You have really good sight lines on this guy as well. So really, honestly, would recommend very highly. If you like this video, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. If you want to see more content like this, you can subscribe to our channel or follow us on social media. We're always posting new stuff. Or if you have any questions on this unit or any other attachments, you can visit us at skidsteersolutions.com. Thanks for watching.